Alright friends, inside this video topic, we'll discuss another interesting concept and that is how to use SweetAlert or NPM package inside this Headless store. So first thing first, inside this video topic, we'll understand that what is SweetAlert. Let's go back to browser. So if I go here and now you can see that SweetAlert is an NPM package what basically we can install into a React application. So the command is very simple npm install or I. So npm I SweetAlert. SweetAlert is the package name. So whenever if we install this package automatically it will give some kind of very informative, some kind of very eye-catching design in terms of notification. So here if I go to my orders, let's go first complete this order. So I go and click on this order. And then from this order data, if I go inside the status, let's say completed, click on update button, order updated. And if I go, let's click on this button. And now we can see that order has been completed. So once we get the completed status, automatically here we'll have the delete button. So if I click on this delete button, and now we can see that we are getting a JavaScript confirmation. That is, are you sure want to delete? So this is some kind of user notification like the user confirmation. So whenever if user click on OK button, then we have to perform the delete functionality. But in place of this JavaScript confirmation box, I want to use some kind of alert into a React application. So what basically we can do, so first thing first, let's install this SweetAlert into a React application. So I will go here, let's go into view, open a new terminal, and inside here, what I will do, let's copy first this package name that is called SweetAlert, or simply let's click on this copy icon to copy the complete command. And here, let's type that is npm I SweetAlert. So before installation, if I open package.json, so now we can see that right now inside these dependencies, we don't have any package that is of SweetAlert. Let's go and install. And successfully the installation now is started and completed, and now we can see that inside its dependencies here we have the SweetAlert. Now the question is, successfully we have installed. Now the question is how to use this package inside this React application so that instead of this JavaScript confirmation box we can get something kind of eye-catching design in terms of notification or in terms of confirmation. So here if I scroll to this documentation, that is npmjs.com/package /SweetAlert. So then after, now we can see that here we have SweetAlert, a confirmation model box. So if I copy the complete command, let's go back to a React application. Let's go and open my orders. And inside this my orders, here we are using the concept of window.confirm. So simply once we install SweetAlert package, let's type or copy this complete command. And here we can see that inside is SWAL, which is a function. But first thing first, we have to import this function, import, then after SWAL, and it will be from the installed package called SweetAlert. So once we import, now we are able to use now this time this SweetAlert confirmation box. But before using that, let's remove for the time being. Let's go back to documentation, and then after, first thing first, I will use the simplest confirmation. And here we have an error block. Let's copy piece of code. Then I will go here. Let's paste it and let's return equals to false. Save these changes. Now this time this will be a heading. This is the message, and this time I want to display an error message. So after save, if I go click on delete button, and now we can see that here we have an error message. So it means that successfully now we have integrated SweetAlert package into this React application. Now let's use one more case about our success block. So here, if I copy this piece of code, let's go and replace this error block. So here we have the heading. This is our message of that block. And here I want to display a success message. Save these changes, click on delete button. And now we can see that successfully I integrated a delete box into this application. Now this time I want to use a confirmation alert something. So for that, let's go and copy this piece of complete code. And if I go, let's remove this, paste this complete code, save these changes. So if I go, let's reload, click on delete button, and now we can see that it is asking for confirmation, something kind of message. And here we have an OK button, but also we want a cancel button as well. So for that, I will add one more property here, and that is buttons. Let's pass the true value. Save these changes. So if I go, let's reload, click on delete button, and now we can see that OK button and the cancel button. So what we can do here, let's customize our message. So in place of, let's cut this REO show, and I want to put that message in place of this message. Save these changes. And what I will do, this piece of code, first thing first, let's remove this return equals to false. I want to execute these three lines of code whenever the user will press the OK button. So whenever the user will press OK button, so inside this sweet alert, it will go inside this done block and inside this if block. So here, let's pass it here. But now we can see that here we have a red color arrow with this await keyword, and this is because now this time this piece of code is now moved inside this then block. So what we can do, let's go at the top of this function signature, let's remove this async keyword from here, simply go inside this then block, put here, and then after let's wrap inside this parenthesis. So if everything is okay, if user presses OK button, then we have to go and call this function. But before that, what we can do, set page loading, it is equals to true. And after delete here, let's say set page loading equals to false. Save these changes. So once we do, and also let's update this message, it will be successfully order has been deleted. Next, I will save all these changes, and one more thing I can see that right here inside this done block, as you know that this model will open with two buttons called OK button and cancel button. So whenever if user will press OK button, so loading opens like set page loading equals to true, loading icon will be visible, it deletes the order, then the loading icon will be disabled and will get a confirmation message. But the question is that if suppose the user will press the cancel button. So in that case, this loading icon will keeps loading into our screen. So for that, what we can do, let's else block set page loading and let's pass false value. Save these changes. Let's go back to browser and here click on delete button. Let's press cancel, no activity. But if I go click on OK, loading, an order has been deleted. And successfully, as we can see that no orders found. If I go, let's reload. And now we can see that order has been moved from this published mode to trash mode. So successfully inside this video topic, now we have integrated one more package that is quite very interesting, that is SweetAlert into a React application. So for this interesting course, interesting journey, please hit the like button to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Now let's meet to our next amazing video. So for this video session, guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.